My name is Monica Chavaniak and I'm here with Fearless Cooking. Welcome to my channel. Fair warning, this is a no recipe kind of cooking show where we show you all kinds of wonderful dishes that are done with fresh ingredients and done very simple for you to maybe lose all your recipe shackles and just start freestyle cooking in your kitchen fearlessly. So if this is for you, stick around and let's get this show on the road. Today on our menu we're going to do something Italian and something that is called Socca or Farinata. In the northern part of Italy it's called Farinata, in the southern part it is called Socca. And what it is something like a pancake kind of pie, almost like a pizza, but it's total street food. You get it everywhere and people are lining up to get it fresh. And there are some special stores in Italy where they just make socca and then they call out, Socca is ready, and people just coming in and get it. And it's the simplest thing. And what it is basically is made out of garbanzo beans, garbanzo flour. And garbanzo flour has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years. In India they're using it forever. And of course it has made its way to Italy in the olden days. So it's gluten-free. It's probably the flour of the year for 2021. People love it because it is gluten-free and it's easy to work with. So it's very, very simple. The first thing we need to do to make this pancake is we're going to take you need a cast iron frying pan, and we're going to put this frying pan in a very hot oven. It's about 450 degrees in that oven, and we're going to leave it until we're done. It has to be really scorching hot. So here I have about a cup of garbanzo bean flour or chickpea flour, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I have Himalayan salt here, and we're using about the same equal amount of warm water. Don't pour it all in at once, just slowly. If you pour it all in at once, you will get lumps. This way you can just play with it, and those lumps will not be as visible, and it's come easy. It gets easy to be very smooth. As you can see, we have this nicely mixed here. And I'm going to just give it a couple of drops of olive oil. And that's all it needs. The batter is rather runny, as you see. And that's exactly what it is, we want to have. So we're going to just wait a few more minutes for our frying pan to be really, really hot. And we'll take it out, we'll pour that in, and then we'll put it back in the oven. The frying pan is very, very hot, and I want to put some oil in here. We want this a little bit swimming. Let's just go around on this side. I'm going to take a little bit out now. And again, want to make sure this is very, 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 very hot. See a little bit of smoke coming up. Put it in the middle here, just like a pancake. Give it a minute or so, till the edges started to brown. We're just getting away from it. We've got a little bit of happening here already. Just one more. Sometimes it's starting to bubble up. Keep an eye on that when we have that in the oven. When it bubbles up, just poke it a little bit and it'll go flat down. It's okay. And this goes now into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. High heat, it is 450 degrees, and in the middle shelf, off we go. I'll give it a few minutes and it'll be a fabulous snack. So we got, it's about 8.5 minutes. I can see how nice and brown this is, crusty. I'm going to just let it sit here for a minute or so. I want to show you how beautiful crusty this is. This is what you want. And then it's soft on the inside. And it's just beautiful. So we're just gonna leave it in here for about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna cut it. And we'll put a little bit of oil on it and some herbs. You can also put some Parmesan cheese on it. You can also make a pizza out of it. Anything you want. A flatbread, anything you want. This is lovely. Crunchy. It's a beautiful snack. You can use this as your flatbread, serve a dip with it. You see this? It's crusty on the outside, and inside it's moist and chewy, and it's beautiful. Just a few drops. Socca or farinata, either way, it's a delicious snack. It's a delicious bread that you can make anytime in 15-16 minutes. You don't really have to rest it when you make the batter because there is no gluten in it in order for the protein for it to rest. So anyway, I hope you give it a try, enjoy it. If you enjoyed this session, then please push some button, like, share, subscribe, come back. That's the main thing. In the meantime, do be fearless in your kitchen.